everybody, and welcome back to a brand new video, and a new video on my EP3 Civic Type R. It's quite an exciting one. We've got another modification on this car. So you know how it is, we always run into some cinematics of the car and then we're going to go out for a quick drive. So I'll see you in a sec. Right then, so as you can see, the car still looks absolutely fantastic. So I'm just going to do a quick walk around of things that have actually changed on the car. So we've done some small little changes on the car. So we've changed the sun strip to gloss black instead of satin black, and I think it actually looks much better. It goes with the paint a lot better. So yeah, but I think I actually am going to redo it because it is on the piss a bit. So yeah, it's going to be redone. And we got some red Petra TV stickers. You know how it is, brand everything, as Yanamai says. And also, this car just looks absolutely amazing with these wheels done. Haven't Wheelworks done such an amazing job on these wheels? Like, look at them. So if you guys look really closely, you can see the gold fleck in the paint. This is exactly what I wanted. So in the sunlight, it really glistens. I'll do an overlay of what they look like in the sunlight, but in the shade and in the dark, they just look gloss black, which is exactly what I've wanted. But what I still need to do is I need to paint the calipers in red, because I've got the little red Honda badges there, which matches in with the red stickers and the red seats. So yeah, I think red calipers is a must. But what we're all here for today is we've got a new modification on the car, which is, ta-da! We said we wanted noise and we've got noise. So this is an M2 Performance back box, I believe. I'm not sure what I actually think of it at the moment because I haven't tested it properly, but that's what we're all here for today. We're going to go out and test this and see what this is all about. So yeah, without further ado, I think we should jump in the car right now. We should go for a spin, see what this exhaust is saying, make some loud noises and see what we all think about it. Don't forget, leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think of this exhaust, and I need your guys' help. I really want this exhaust to sound, you know, I want it to pop a bit more. I just want it to, you know, just be a nice sound. It's quite, I still think it's a bit drony, but let me know what you think. Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget, subscribe if you are new to my channel. Let's go. Guys, welcome back inside my EP3 Honda Civic Type R. So we finally got some noise on the go. I've bought a M2 Performance back box. So yeah, today we're just going to go out, go for a little blast and see what the car sounds like. So as always, I've got my famous Petra TV straight coming up. Let's see what this sounds like. Guys, at the moment my opinion is it actually isn't too much louder than it was to begin with, but when you start to slow down and and you rev it, obviously you can then tell it's got a deeper sound to it. But when you're absolutely caning it and you've got your foot flat, you can't really tell much difference. until obviously, like I said, you slow down. So it's all right. And I haven't actually yet been on the motorway with it to see if it's droney or not. At the end of the day, it doesn't really bother me because I am going to go out and get a daily driver, like I've been banging on about. And yeah, guys, we still haven't got around to getting the daily driver. Things happened, and yeah, I didn't really like the cars I went to see. I've lost really trail of thought of what I really want to get. So let me know, what do you think I should get as a daily driver? Leave it in the comments down there. I'd really like to see what you want to see on the channel. So yeah, let's do another little pull, see what it sounds like. This car still puts a massive smile on my face. Even after nearly 2 years of owning it, I can't believe a car actually makes me feel this way. I've always got bored of cars. Anyway, I really do sidetrack. But yeah, the exhaust, it's alright, you know. I always said in the beginning I wasn't going to get an M2 because I thought it's just a bit droney, and I had experienced it because my friend Harry, shout out to Harry, he actually had an M2 on his car before, and I wasn't actually a massive fan of it, but now I've got it on my car, it makes sense to me now, and I think for the price I've spent on the Backbox, it's worth it. You know, it's only £160 Backbox, it's not anything major. But guys, I need your help. I want this car to be able to pop and bang. I want it to just sound a bit better. So what else do I need to get? Try upgrade manifold and downpipes and stuff like that. Can you give me suggestions of what I need to buy next? Preferably to add on to the M2 Backbox, as I do want to keep it for a little while at least. Maybe in the long run we'll get another one. But yeah, let me know what you think down there below. Yeah, so this is where it's really droney at about 5,500 revs, just about before VTEC's going to kick in. But I fucking love it, man. Absolutely love this car, man. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell on the video because I don't exactly want to put one of these brand new GoPros above the exhaust just in case it falls off, but I have got a backup camera that I'm going to start using for the exhaust. But I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it does actually gurgle and pop slightly as you slow down, but it doesn't pop enough. I really want it to pop. So yeah, guys, let me know, what do I need to get to make it do that? Because I really want this car to be, you know, a bit Asbo and pop. Because I am going to get a daily driver, so it doesn't actually matter that this is a bit silly. So yeah, please let me know what I need to buy. Right then, we're on the Petra TV test route. I'll take all the cars. Let's see what this sounds like. guys, I really want it to pop and bang. What do I need to buy for it to do that? Like, I know they do manifolds and stuff like that. yeah, just let me know what brand I need to buy and where I need to go get it. One thing I actually do need to sort out on this is where me and my friend have done the bracket, the actual hook from the back box is vibrating ever so slightly against the bumper, so that's getting a little bit irritating. But you know, all these little niggles, they don't really bother me because, as I said before, we're going to get a daily driver, so you can be silly with it. But I do want to get rid of that vibration noise because that can be a bit annoying. Coming up, so let's see what this sounds like going through the tunnel. What do we reckon, guys? Sounds better? It's definitely louder in the tunnel. Yeah, I'm really enjoying having a bit. It's good to have a bit of noise now, so yeah, it's really made it. Yeah, I'm absolutely loving the sound of this now, guys. But like I said, I do want it to pop and bang, so let me know your comments and your thoughts in the comment section down below. So yeah, I think it's about time we wrap up the video here. Don't forget, if you are looking to get your wheels powder coated, you can get a special deal when you go to Wheelworks just by saying Petrohead TV sent you. So the number is going to pop up here somewhere. Make sure to give Rob a call and say Petrohead TV sent you, and you're going to get £30 off when you get your wheels powder coated and your calipers painted. I need to send my car back there, so guys, you're going to have my car back soon because I need to get the calipers done in red. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It'll be around here somewhere. It's official Petrohead TV. You'll see all behind the scenes action. I like to communicate with you guys on there. I really like the platform. But yeah, apart from that, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button if you have enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you are new to the Petrohead TV family, and I'll see you all very soon.